should I stay where the signs I know? Can I help you not to hurt anymore? We're so brilliant when the world was asleep. There are things that we can have but can keep if this is.
I can see it now, I can feel it now. When you touch me, in my bloodstream. When you touch me, you can lift me up. Says high above me, rivers in my heart. I can feel it now, coming closer.